Yes, my children, today I'm going to teach you one very important thing in English grammar, that is simple present tense. In the third person singular, we add the letter S, ES or IES at the end of the verb. In simple present tense, the letter S, ES or ES or IES is added to the verb. S, ES, IES is added. This letter is added to the verb in simple present tense in the third person singular. Okay, simple present tense, third person singular. Third person singular, the letter S, ES, IES is added at the end of the verb. See, third person singular. Third person singular. Look at here. First person singular I, first person plural we, second person singular you, second person plural you, third person singular he, she, it. Okay, here see, third person singular, third person singular. Here in this subject, in third person singular, he, she, it, and he, she, it subject, we add the letter S, ES, IES to the verb in simple present tense. Third person singular he, she, it subject में letter S, ES, IES को एडिंग करता है, हम लोग डालता है simple present tense में. Third person singular he, she, it, he, she, it, and for all the singular subject, suppose see singular Ram is only one person, see, boy. Okay, so third person singular he, she, it, Ram for singulars, for one person, and for one thing. Okay, for singular subject, okay, singular subject, third person singular subject में S, ES, IES लगाता है. Okay, so today here I'm going to give you some rules. Okay, rule 1, verb ending in CH, SS, SH, X, we add ES. So all these are verbs. See, these are verbs. Wants, teach, match, miss, pass, kiss, wish, was, finish, fix, mix. ये पूरा verb से देखो, verb से. तो verbs ending in CH to CH. Verb ending in CH. हम लोग ES लगाना है. We have to add ES. Verb ending in SS. We must add ES. Okay. Verb ending in SH. Wish, was, finish. Verb ending in X. Fix, to mix. तो ऐसा वाला वर्ब में लास्ट CH ending, SS ending, SH ending, X ending वाला को हम लोग ES लगाना है. Watch, watches, teaches, match, matches, misses, pass, passes, kiss, kisses, wish, wishes, was, washes, finish, finishes, fix, fixes, mix, mixes. Okay. Watches, teaches, matches, misses, passes, kisses. We add es, esc to the verb. In simple present tense, in third person singular, we add esc. He watches. She teaches. See. He watches. She teaches English. Ram teaches English. So this is the first rule. The first rule. Now I'm going to give you the second rule. Second rule. Verb ending in consonant plus y. Verb ending in consonant plus y. So verb ending in consonant plus y, we remove the letter y. We remove the letter y and we add IES. Okay. Okay. Before that, I will tell you what are vowels and what are consonants. See, look at here. Vowel. There are 26 letters in English. 26 letters in English. Five letters are known as vowels and 21 letters are known as consonants. So A, E, I, O, U are called vowel and the remaining letters, बाकी का पूरा letters A, E, I, O, U को vowels बोलता है और बाकी का letters को consonant बोलता है. So B, A को A vowel में चला गया तो B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 21 letters are called consonants. So A वाला letters देखो consonant plus y, verb ending in consonant plus y. देखो D, consonant D plus y, verb ending in study. The word or verb study. Study, consonant plus y. D is consonant, y. So like this verb ending in consonant plus y. ऐसा वाला verb ending in consonant dy. देखो ऐसा वाला को we remove the letter y को हटाएंगे, को हटेगा, निकालेगा and we add IES. See here, STUD. Okay. STUD. We remove y letter. Till the letter y we will remove and we will add IES. Studies. Reply. The verb end in consonant. L consonant plus y. So we have to remove the letter y. हम लोग y letter को हटाना है, उसके बाद IES लगाना है. Replies. Fly. Verb ending in consonant plus y to L. Copy. COP. P is consonant. Consonant. So plus y. We remove IES. We remove letter y and put IES. Okay. So tries. Carry, carries. Apply, applies. Supply, supplies. Worry, worries. See. Verb ending. Verb last में okay. Consonant और y ending वाला को हम लोग y को हटेगा और IES को लगाता है. ये देखो ये पूरा कॉन्सोनेंट है, देखो कॉन्सोनेंट 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 प्लस वाई। सो ऐसा वाला वर्ब को हम लोग y को हटेगा, we remove, we omit it, we remove the letter y and we bring IES or we add IES. Study, studies, reply, replies, fly, flies, copy, copies, try, tries, carry, carries, apply, applies, supply, supplies, worry, worries. Okay, now let us move down to next rule. Third rule, third वाला का देखो, verb ending in vowel plus y. Rule 2 is verb ending in consonant plus y. हम आपको already बोल दिया। अभी A3 में verb ending in vowel plus y, we add s letter to the verb. Verb ending in vowel plus y, हम लोग verb ending in vowel plus y हम लोग s को लगाता है। देखो vowel A-E-I-O-U इसी को एक 5 लेटर को वॉवेल बोलता है। तो वर्ब एंडिंग इन वॉवेल प्लस वाई, वी एड जस्ट एस लेटर टू द वर्ब। तो देखो इधर देखो, लुक एट हियर, वर्ब एंडिंग स्टे इज अ वर्ब, सो वर्ब एंडिंग इन, सो दिस वर्ब इज एंडिंग इन वॉवेल सी, वॉवेल ए प्लस वाई सी, vowel plus y. Play A is vowel plus y. U A-E-I-O-U, U is vowel plus y. Say A is vowel plus y. Pray A to A-Y. E A-E-I-O-U vowel E-Y. O-Y C O-Y. So like this verb which end in vowel plus y, तो हम लोग खाली s लगाता है, we add only s letter, S-T-A-Y, stays, s stays, plays, buys, says, prays, obeys, destroys, enjoys. Stay stays, play plays, buy buys, say says, pray prays, obey obeys, destroy destroys, enjoy enjoys. Rule 4, fourth rule, verb ending in vowel o, verb ending in vowel o, verb पूरा लास्ट में vowel से vowel o ending किया वाला को, example go, we add es, हम लोग es लगाता है, go goes, do does. Verb ending in vowel o A-E-I-O-U to vowel ending o वाला को हम लोग es लगाता है, go goes, do does. Okay, next others. For others, बाकी का अभी देखो, बाकी का पूरा हम आपको rules, simple present tense थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में सब्जेक्ट में s लेटर s es और ies लेटर को ऐड करता है, डालता है, हम लोग बोला है। रूल 1 में वर्ब ending in s हाइस, c हाइस, ss and x वाला को बोल दिया, और वर्ब ending in consonant प्लस y को हम लोग क्या लगाना है आपको बता दिया। और थर्ड रूल में वर्ब एंडिंग इन वॉवेल प्लस y को हम लोग खाली s लेटर को एडिंग करना है, और एग्जांपल भी हम आपको बता दिया। और नेक्स्ट फोर्थ रूल में हम अभी बताया है आपको, जस्ट नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड टू यू दैट वर्ब एंडिंग इन वॉवेल o we add es, and others For other verb, we just add s only. We add s letter for other verb. Start, see, start, starts. Eat, eats. Read, reads. See, sees. Swim, swims. Drink, drinks. Take, takes. Bring, brings. Sing, sings. Travel, travels. He eats. She eats. Ram reads. My father sees. He swims. It drinks. It takes. See. She brings. My sister sings. Okay. So I said. So this is the rules I'm telling you today. As I simple present tense थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में एस ईएस आईएस कहाँ कहाँ पास लगाना है, कैसा लगाना है, हम आपको आज आपको बताया है. थैंक यू.